video, I want to share my tips for creating the perfect flat lay photo. I style a lot of flat lays for product photos on my website and also just to have pretty pictures to post on Instagram. So I'm going to share whatever advice I can with you to help you create a beautiful flat lay as well. And after this video, if you still want more photography tips and tutorials, I am going to be posting tons of stuff on Patreon this month all about photography. So I'm gonna have more video tutorials. I have a live stream planned, lots of fun things. So go check it out if you want. I'll have my Patreon link down below. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. Choose the theme or the subject of your flat lay. This can be the actual object that you want to include in your photo, like art supplies, or it could just be the mood that you want to evoke, like cozy or productive. Choose a background for your photo. You could use a whiteboard or a table or your floor or carpet, a blanket or sheet, a piece of paper, or you can create your own backdrop. I made this board for photos by nailing together cheap wooden planks from the hardware store and then just painting and distressing the surface. Gather props and supplies that you want to include in your photo. Find things that pair well with the theme of your flat lay. Keep in mind your desired color scheme and choose props that fit well with the palette of your photo. Make the photo more interesting by adding things that are different sizes or textures. Do you want the flat lay to be more minimal with lots of white space, or do you want to fill the entire frame with objects? Is your final photo going to be square or a rectangle? Arrange the props accordingly, and remember that you can always take the photo from further back and then crop it to the perfect size when you edit. Try to keep the composition visually balanced. If something falls out of frame on one side, make sure that something is also falling out of frame on the opposite side to keep it balanced. Try to get your props perfectly aligned or make them purposefully misaligned. Make sure you have even lighting. If there's an area that's too dark, you can use a whiteboard or even a white pillow to bounce light and soften those shadows. Take pictures from directly above for the classic flat lay, but also try other angles to see if you can get different images. And remember that all of these rules can be intentionally broken.